Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we're working on this Mercedes E-Class here, W211. So we'll show you guys how to remove and replace the window switch on it. Power master window switch, okay, right here, this one that I'm talking about. If you need the passenger side, it will be about the same procedure as well. So feel free to check it out. Please subscribe, guys. Let's grow the channel together and let's go ahead and do that now. Okay guys, so first, okay, we need to get a T20 Torx 20 bit, okay, this one right here. And we'll need to remove, okay, that screw right there. Okay, we'll need to pull the cover out. You can see how it goes out. Careful not to break those because usually they're very breakable. Okay, next with the prying tool, we'll need to remove that cover. Okay, you can see right there. Let me turn the light on so we can see a little bit better. Okay, this is the cover. Okay, next you need a Phillips screwdriver, and there is one screw that you need to remove right there. Okay, and you can see the size of the screw now. Next, we need to go underneath right here and we need to remove that cover. Okay, you just pry it open. It has a few clips on it. Okay, let me get the light so we can see better. Okay, so we have the two screws that we need to remove here. The same Phillips screwdriver now. That's what we've been working with. Okay, like that. Next we need to remove the cover for the mirror right here, for the tweeter. So you just push it towards the back, comes out. Okay, that's the one. You don't even need to unhook the tweeter. Okay, so now with the prying tool, there is a few clips, and a good thing, guys, before you start doing that, you probably should buy some replacement clips because those go bad usually. Sometimes they will break. Okay, you can see we pop them like that, and then you need to lift up. We'll need to unscrew, okay, this one, the unlock. You just unscrew it counterclockwise, okay, like that. And you need to come out of there. Okay, sometimes they'll be stuck really good, believe me. That's because it goes in the seal there. Okay, and you can see the panel came out. Stay with us to show you where all the clips are. Okay, now we need to disconnect, okay, the cable right here. So you need to pull towards the back, go like that. And now you need to twist it in an angle, okay? And we'll need to disconnect all the wires now. Okay, so one person will need to hold the panel because those can go bad really easy. Okay, so press down and pull them out. Okay, let's see what else is holding there. Okay, this black one only. Okay guys, our clips didn't break, but sometimes they will, and they're replaceable. We'll have the link on our website, mechaniclifestyle.com. So you can see two clips there, one in the corner, three on the bottom, one in the corner, and one more there. Okay, so that's where the clips are, you know where to apply more pressure. Alright guys, so after you remove the door panel, the window switch is right there. You need to pull that carpet out of the way, but be careful not to damage any wires. Okay, you have to be very careful. Now we need a T10, Torx 10, and there is only one screw that we will need to remove. Okay, it's really inconvenient. I'm talking about that screw right there. So you need to have a short bit, will be more convenient than this one. So it's gonna take us a little while. We're going to go ahead and remove it, guys, and come back to the video. Okay, finally the screw is out of there. We need to disconnect the wires now. So there is one notch that you need to press down, okay, on this side right here with a screwdriver and pull it up. Okay, this one right here. Okay, now we need to lift this thing up here. Okay, there is one on the back side as well, and we need to push the switch out of there. Okay, you might need to help it with the screwdriver there a little bit. Okay, with the light it looks a little bit better to make sure that you can see better, guys. Okay, so this is the switch now, and we need to start pulling a little bit more. Okay, you just have to be careful that you don't damage your door panel in the way. Okay, and this is, guys, the power window master switch right here. That's how you guys remove it. You install it in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you guys for watching us. Please subscribe and so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.